Meet the Electrolux wash machine with Luxcare Plus system. So under the wash machine, you smart boost and you get to remove the detergent and water so you get a better clean. There's some cycle like the white is white. There's also heavy duty, normal, active wear, colors, and towels. You can choose delicate, smooth and spin, or you can clean the washer. There's a peel and cycle that we move detergent and water. Remove detergent and water so without using extra water. So there's a 15 minutes fast wash so it will get the deep clean without using extra time. So any questions? This is Electrolux Luxcare Plus. So this is a dial to select. So this is a Electrolux Luxcare Plus wash. It's cycle, temperature, soil, spin, options. You can choose sanctuary, prevents, perfect steam, allergen, extended refresh, delay time, or you cannot control it. There's a pause right here. It makes the deep clean, so without using some waters. This is the Electrolux wash or Luxcare wash with the towel. Just check right here and check. So get the deep clean and remove detergent and water and make a better clean. So any question? Any question about you? Hit that subscribe button.